That is not where you pump that. No, I'm not. Oh, jump scare.
What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, I got them pearly whites. I got them pearly whites.
At the camera.
No, it's not.
Nice.
Look what I did. You break out, Daddy.
The Shaday series by Turfa Mafi. Tarehe Te. However I name her. I got all her books. But one of them, because of the packaging, tore. Good background music. Where did this come from?
It's from the back.
No, it's from the back and 2 different back, did it? I'm at this. Oh, we had a spare one.
Oh, she did.
Yeah, spare one. Maybe put them in.
On the back. And then drop them in their bag.
So why them 2 back are different? It upset me kind of. You are talking about no fashion sense? This is the box that my iWalk came in. Me not go figure it out. Look at the cats. The cat says hi. This is where I discovered is the best spot to put the pop sockets. The best spots. But nobody believes me because they haven't tried it, but it's the best spot to put pop sockets.
Who holds their phone like this?
Nani? Oh. Yes, my phone is looking. What's the point? What's the point? Eat belly bell.
It was a snap. Snap.
Alright, just again. Therefore, your comment is irrelevant. This one comes with a yin yang. I don't know what this
yin yang.
Yin yang.
Yin yang.
So why is yin and not yin?
What did he say?
Feel biteable.
Yes, it does. So you move on by this. Are you looking at me like I'm weird? Like? Getting into drawing with the gelling pen. Our teacher was trying to get me to draw with pens, but I was like, no, that's scary because if I make a mistake,
white out.
You can't really white out a drawing. So I was just scared of that, so I decided not to do that. But now that I'm outside of school, there's no way academic pressure on drawing. We just experiment with the pen, and I think they come out quite good. I'm gonna do a video on it one day. My drawing books are usually small, but I decided I want to get something bigger. So I got this 100 sheets, 68 pounds. I lied, 68 pounds? This no more than half of my weight. Feel them, feel nice, feel them, feel them, feel them, feel them, feel them, feel them. Don't feel me, oh, you can't stop it. And there's this other small one that I got.